Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi button grayed out or not clickable on your iPhone or iPad. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Now scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this option is turned on, try turning it off, as it can sometimes block Wi-Fi settings. Next, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can fix temporary bugs or glitches causing this issue. After that, check for a software update. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Sometimes, system updates include fixes for problems like this. If the issue is still not resolved, you can reset your settings. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset all settings. This will reset system settings like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and saved networks, but it won't delete your personal data. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.